Welcome back. In this video, I will discuss what is the Diffie-Hellman Key Exchange Algorithm and how to calculate shared secret key by using Diffie-Hellman Key Exchange Algorithm. The Diffie-Hellman Key Exchange Algorithm is a public key cryptographic method used to securely exchange a shared secret key over an insecure communication channel. The Diffie-Hellman Key Exchange was introduced in 1976. In Diffie-Hellman Key Exchange algorithm, two peoples usually called Alice and Bob will be there, and they are publicly agree on prime number Q and primitive root G. They choose their own private secret keys, that is Alice choose a private key as A and Bob private key as B. So by using this AB and QG, they compute the public key. So Alice compute the public key by using this formula, that is A is equal to G raised to A mod of Q, and Bob compute his public key by using this formula, that is B is equal to G raised to B mod of Q. Then they shared their public keys. Finally, they compute the same shared secret key by using these two formulas. So, Alice compute the secret key by using this formula, that is K is equal to B raised to A mod of Q, and after that Bob verifies that shared secret key by using this formula, that is K is equal to A raised to B mod of Q. To understand Diffie-Hellman Key Exchange algorithm, now we will take one simple example. So in a Diffie-Hellman Key Exchange algorithm, Alice and Bob have chosen a prime number, that is Q is equal to 17 and primitive root as a 5, and Alice's secret key is a 3 and Bob's secret key is a 5. So we need to compute what is shared secret key they exchanged. These are the values given in the problem definition, that is a prime number, that is Q is equal to 17, primitive root G is equal to 5, Alice's secret key A is equal to 3, Bob's secret key B is equal to 5. We will compute the shared secret key step by step. In the first step of Diffie-Hellman Key Exchange algorithm, Alice compute her public key. So Alice can compute her public key by using this formula, that is A is equal to G raised to A mod of Q. Here G value is 5, A value is 3 and Q value is 17. We need to put these values here, then we will get A is equal to 5 raised to 3 mod of 17. So this 5 raised to 3 can be splitted into 5 raised to 2 multiplied with 5 raised to 1 mod of 17. So first we will calculate 5 raised to 2 mod of 17. So 5 raised to 2 is nothing but a 25. 25 mod of 17, that is 25 mod of 17. So 17 ones are 70. So the remaining thing is 8. So that the 5 raised to 2 mod of 17 will be 8 because the remainder is 8. Next we will calculate 5 raised to 2 multiplied with 5 raised to 1 mod of 17. Here we know the 5 raised to 2 value, that is 8. So 8 into 5 mod of 17, 8 into 5 is a 40. So 40 mod of 17 we will get as a 6, that is a A value. A is nothing but a Alice public key. So in the second step, Bob compute his public key by using this formula, that is B is equal to G raised to B mod of Q. The G value is 5, B value is 5 and Q value is 17. We need to put these values here. So we'll get B is equal to 5 raised to 5 mod of 17. And this 5 raised to 5 can be splitted into 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 1. So first we will calculate 5 raised to 2 mod of 17. So 5 raised to 2 is nothing but 25 mod of 17, which is equal to 8. So next we will calculate 5 raised to 2 multiplied with 5 raised to 2 mod of 17. So here we know the 5 raised to 2 value, that is 8. 8 into 8 mod of 17. So 8 into 8 is a 64. So 64 mod of 17 is equal to 13 because 17 3s are 64, the remaining thing is 13. After that, we will calculate B is equal to 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 1 mod of 17. So 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 2 mod of 17 is 13 into 5 raised to 1 mod of 17. So 13 into 5 is a 65. So 65 mod of 17 is equal to 14 because 17 3s are 51. So we'll get the remainder as a 14. So this 14 is nothing but a Bob's public key. In the third step of Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm, Alice computes shared secret key by using this formula, that is k is equal to b raised to a mod of q. Here b value is 14, a value is 3 and q value is 17. We need to put these values here. So it will become k is equal to 14 cube mod of 17. So 14 cube can be splitted into 14 square into 14 raised to 1 mod of 17. So first we will calculate 14 square mod of 17. So 14 square is nothing but 196. 196 mod of 17. So 17 11s are 187. So 196 minus 187, which is equal to 9. Next we will calculate 14 square into 14 raised to 1 mod of 17. We know the value of 14 square, that is 9 into 14 mod of 17. 9 into 14 is nothing but 126. So 126 mod of 17 is equal to 7 because 17 sevens are 119. So 126 minus 119 is equal to 7. So this is a shared secret key calculated by the Alice, that is equal to 7. In the next step, the Bobs verify that secret key by using this formula, that is k is equal to a raised to b mod of q. Here a value is 6, b value is 5 and q value is 17. So once you put this one, it will look something like this. So this 6 raised to 5 can be splitted into 6 square into 6 square into 6 raised to 1. So first we will calculate 6 square mod of 17. So 6 square is nothing but a 36. So 36 mod of 17 is equal to 24 because 17 2s are 34. 36 minus 34 is equal to 2. So next we will put these value in this equation. So 6 square mod of 17 is 2. So 2 into 2 into this 6 mod of 17. So this is nothing but a 24 mod of 17. So 24 mod of 17 is equal to 7 because 17 ones are 17. So 24 minus 17 is equal to 7. Here the Bobs verify the shared secret key. So it's correct. This is how we can calculate the shared secret key by Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm. I hope the concept of Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.